In this video I tell you how to fix PS5 controller not charging issue. If you want to fix this issue, you need to consider these steps. Step number 1. Check the charging cable. Ensure the USB-C cable is undamaged. Try a different USB-C cable. Number 2. Inspect the charging ports. Check for any debris or damage on both the controller and console ports. Clean gently if necessary. Number 3. Try a different USB port. If using the front USB ports, try the rear ones. Number 4. Update controller firmware. Go to settings, then go to accessories, then go to controller, then go to DualSense wireless controller device software. Check for updates and install if available. Number 5. Reset the controller. Locate the small reset button on the back of the controller and press it with a paper clip. Number 6. Check power settings. Ensure your PS5 is set to supply power to USB ports in rest mode. Go to settings, then go to power saving, then go to features available in rest mode. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.